Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Fierce and Feisty Bullseye. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to replace the foam ear pads on your walkers. Basically any walkers you can do this to, not just the Excel, but today I'm working specifically with my walkers Excel. Before we get started, I just want to say a really big thank you to Walkers, the company. These are my all-time favorite ear protection. The Walkers Excel, I had purchased them last year because I needed a higher decibel, and being an instructor and also competing several times a month, I needed some really good ear protection. Well, with using them every single day, basically. Of course, some of these wires were fraying and that was on me, but they totally replaced them for me after I just reached out to them, and I just got them today, so I'm going to switch them out with some gel pads. So the gel pads, if you don't already have some gel pads for your ears, no matter what ears there are out there, a lot of them will allow you to replace with gel pads. It is a huge difference, you guys. Huge difference, especially if you're like me and you wear them several times a week. Definitely make sure you get yourself some gel ear pads. These ones are actually on my store that are just through Amazon, made by Pro Ear, but they are specifically for walker. So I'm going to show you guys the difference here first. And actually these even tell you how to replace them. But you can kind of see the difference. It's very squishy. They're cool as well, literally cool. They help a lot in the summer, especially if you're a head sweater, and they're easy to clean too, because you just take a Clorox wipe on the inside of these, and you can see the difference between the regular ear pads and these. And these are foam, and if you're like me and wear them all the time, it hurts to wear these for too long. So I always switch all of mine out for these gel pads. So you can use, well, the actual instructions say that you can use a penny, which is true. However, I'm just going to use a little baby flathead screwdriver. So I'm just going to flip these out like this. I'm going to stick this flathead right underneath where this little piece is here, and just be gentle about popping them off, and now they're off. That is how easy it is. So stick it under. Gentle, pop off. Keep these just in case, if you want, doesn't matter, I don't. So to replace them, you're just going to basically pop them back on. And they'll fit, because they're designed for it, they will fit and just pop right on. But you want to make sure you get the right ones for your ear protection. There are so many gel pads out there, and sometimes you can end up getting the wrong ones. These are super inexpensive. I'm pretty sure I only paid like 11 bucks for them, and I will use them constantly. But now they are completely installed, and that is it. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on social media. Have a fierce and feisty day.